welcome back. I am Shayla, and today we are going to be changing the ring in our Presto canner because last time I used it, the top of this, you're supposed to, every time you use your canner, your pressure canner, you should look through it and make sure it is a clear hole that you can see through on both sides. You want to be able to see through this. The last time I used my pressure canner, it was spitting out water through the venting pipe, which it should not be doing, and also through this black seal. So we're gonna replace those. Go ahead and take out the seal. What's wrong, buddy? And I have a Presto, and you wanna make sure you check your canner number. Mine is a part number 09985. So I just bought the sealing ring and the pressure plug comes with it. So we're gonna take that out. I'm gonna replace that. I'm gonna grab our new ring and go ahead and put it in there. And our new plug, we'll put that plug in there first. And I'm just gonna make sure this is oiled up really good. So just grab my oil here. We're gonna put the ring all the way around it. You're gonna have to stretch it out a little bit because the packaging makes it go all crimped up and wonky. Okay, and that's it. Our ring is in. So if you're having issues with water sputting out the top, you want to make sure you always check this vent. Replace this ring every once in a while with this other gasket, the rubber gasket replaced, and then just make sure everything is completely cleaned out so you can be safe and not have any issues. Okay, that was it. It was simple, easy. Make sure you like and subscribe because I want to share with you all the homesteading tips and tricks I've learned along the way and how to live a non-toxic lifestyle. Be blessed in Jesus' name.